I have been worked in site supervisor. Then I came to know about the QSpider. It's a great platform to develop your abilities and your skills. Then after that I was being joined in as a software tester. After 3 months I was being placed in Vista Global Service. It was a great pleasure and very honored to work. Studied in QSpider and Mr. Shubham sir taught me so much of crystal clear. Then they clarified the doubts, any doubts in any situation. It's been very useful to me. In QSpider I learned from mistake and don't repeat. After that to learn. Thank you.